Just putting it back together right now. Got a new carburetor on it. And you could probably hear Mr. Blue Sky on the radio in the background. Kind of fitting that would come on the radio as I'm just finishing up the reassembly. Couldn't get it started for the longest time, so I had to get another carburetor from Honda. Factory original equipment manufacturing, OEM product. JDM, I guess I should say. Japan domestic market. I put a fuel filter on there too. These clips, by the way, stink. These are terrible clips. That's why you can see safety tie on there too. Those clips are coming off as soon as I can get new ones. They're all stripping and everything. They're terrible. They're brand new. I got them on Amazon, but they're junk. They're junk. So anyway, putting it back up. She will start. Supposedly. Let's see if she wants to start. Sometimes she gets a little bit. Yeah, right up. There's not much fuel on it since I had to use the gas can to get fuel, so it's got about a liter in there, 2 liters maybe. I lost a lot on the ground with fuel leaks and stuff, but yeah, gotta just put the back rack back on just now, just tightening it. And it does need a new tank because the tank has got rust in it. I tried everything to get the rust out, and I get flash rust right away and stuff. It just was such a chore. So I'm eventually gonna get a new tank, I think. But there we go. She's getting back on the road. Gotta get a new registration. This one's 30, so that's what, 2 years? 2 years too late. So we'll be able to get by with that. Alright, yeah, sun is shining and here we are. Oh.